Module 4, Lesson 7. Reuse a campaign as a template. Your first campaign is sent. The next one should not start from a blank page. Most sends repeat a shape that already works. Same audience, similar content, same schedule pattern. Simple marketing handles this with the duplicate action. Let me show you where it lives. Open campaigns in the sidebar and click into the campaign you already sent. On the campaign detail page, look at the action buttons near the top. Next to the primary actions, there's a button labeled Duplicate. Duplicate clones the campaign and its steps into a fresh draft. The name, the channel, the audience selection, and the content linkage all carry over. What does not carry over is the send history. The clone starts clean, with 0 sends and 0 stats. Click Duplicate. A confirmation explains exactly that. The campaign and its steps are cloned. Send history is not copied. Confirm it. Simple marketing creates the new draft and takes you to it. Notice the name. It's marked as a copy, so you can tell it apart from the original at a glance. Now edit only what's different this time. Rename the campaign so the copy suffix doesn't ship. Swap the content piece if this send has a new message, or keep it and edit the content itself in the content library. Recheck the audience. If your audience is dynamic, the membership has probably grown since the last send, and the new size shows when you reopen the wizard. This is the template workflow. Clone, rename, adjust 1 or 2 things, send. A rule of thumb: duplicate when the structure repeats. Weekly newsletters, monthly product updates, repeated event invitations. The shape is proven and you only change the message. Start fresh from the wizard when the campaign is genuinely new. A different channel, a different audience strategy, or a different goal. Blank page thinking is worth it when the shape itself is new. That's reuse. One click turns any sent campaign into the starting point for the next one, with history kept clean and separate. Next lesson, recurring campaigns. Instead of duplicating by hand every week, you set the cadence once, and simple marketing repeats the send for you. See you there.